Hey guys, this is me, and I'm going to show y'all how to get an army helicopter. Are you ready? Let's get started. So I'm going to turn the video off. Okay, let's move that away. Get on a motorcycle. And on your map, you should go to the airport, which the airport on your map is all the way for the airport is over here. Airport. Map it on your map, then drive there. I'm gonna drive there. You don't have to have a motorcycle, but you could drive basically whatever you want. But you had to have something. Then this army helicopter basically has all these tools on it. Basically use them. They're really nice things. You need a helicopter. Those planes you can't use. They won't work. This helicopter will work, so let's get off the motorcycle, get in the helicopter. You can go to your map. The only way you could do this is if you have to have internet, unless you know where the home base is by heart, but if you don't, just hit this. Then once you hit that, yeah. Hold on a second. Then once you hit the house, look for this that says that, and then mark it on your map there. And then fly to it. Then you'll hit the army base. But don't let them spot you. because it is very serious and dangerous over there. And be prepared, have weapons. Or a parachute just in case they spot you, because the rocket launchers they shoot could blow your plane up and you might want to jump out. That happens a couple of times to most people, so be prepared. Hold on 1 second so you can see better. So some of the things would involve some specific medical conditions, potentially some vascular disorders, certain medications. There's the army base. And take your dot off. So we're good there. We've made it to the army base. Then hit play. Then hover over it. And push my arm. Go on. Hit this, like this, go down, and look for the helicopter. There it is. Get out. Get a health pack. You have to have a health pack for this, or you'll completely die like 3 or 4. Okay, I bought 3 and used it. And I died like crazy. So you're gonna die a couple times, but that's what it is, guys. And I'm glad to make this video. And I hope you